Some man go betting finger now water, now they come up for blood. Then go talk so till the entire. Ebona lie, they lie.
Artist. You know it's art. Music we no sing. When they like man, don't tell these guys say about chewing gum. At least if they come and sing.
Yeah, they say na so we sample like Hindu. When they can be in a club, the one for life and the sing and think chewing gum, they put on
Very much.
Come on. And then the children go now so come on.
The last one I was saying the cat is Sabina de now.
Now we cancel.
You don't jam all the rest. Anyway, now so we come back today. This not just for fun, at least make we and una get something good for share. Any day, any night, where things them they happen, we always tell una say, now so we dey bring them come to una. Other one don't fall down. Now we are, and this now Bibi Bombosoro. Inside we are.
This nothing way not strange because most of una don't see plenty of the videos then.
But yet still, una don't see the videos them. We the Canada for play again that video, make we analyze that video with una so now they get more knowledge over what's they happen.
This particular incident will be don't prove we long term fumble them we say bush not the comot na bush can turn. It's like say the forest don't comot now that the bush and they don't carry on at all.
So in that case, forest come on a bush, it cannot turn. You know fish holding at all the scratch magic panam, so you know they can't do it tongue.
It's like say the forest they roll.
That's what it look like.
Because the matches themselves where it be for say now they will for crash. Then you take water turn and for the matches stick them. The matches then they crash again.
So wait till you try to tell me.
People then go inside the matches factory and go turn water inside it.
You mean now the police they outside?
You know see where they run after police.
The people them. What goes around comes around. Well, this it just they tell we say if you this on side, they say now your area, do your best for maintain your area in good way, not just for maintenance in the bad way. Because if you don't take your time, one day other person they jump from your area, can't inside your area for can't do the same things them where you be they do to other people that will not able to fetch you.
What thing we dey try for talk about? The forest guard. Then call the institution the National Protected Areas Authority, where they say NPAA, the foresters then, along with the Salon Police. And see, normally what you hear now the Salon Police versus the military. Now the NPAA, the forester them versus the police. But how police don't turn inside we are? For say now na dirty close bond, long man they kick.
Well, now make I give
Or football.
Now I give the proverb say, we send something, one day that thing they come back to you. May people that una will not understand this name forester. Now the people them we just don't pass out, where una they see at all they wear green uniform, where they get a heavy fight yesterday between them and the police.
But before we go inside the story, waiting happen and waiting not happen, explanation from the foresters and the police, no go non side.
We come back just now.
Then say half education is dangerous. So for just start with we and left we half per we project, nothing we self no good. One way how you go continue for support we for let we grow to we highest peak, now for support we in all angle. Well, we don't create another channel where we call Sexy New Looks. This one we dey do here for woman. We dey show you how to make different African and European plates them, as well as different other things them. Well, if you really sure say you na one fan of we yard, do ya? I want you go now inside your YouTube app, and then you search for Sexy New Looks. tap there, and then it will take you to the page. When you reach na the page, you press the red subscribe button. When you press am, you come over to the bell and press the one with all. As you do that, it done. That don't really show say you the support we had for let we grow to the highest peak. Thank you for what you don't help we for make we channel them grow.
Don't stop.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to we channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for what you don't help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you. Please, before we continue with the rest of the discussion for the forest guards and the policeman there, let beg, we be not actually record done before ever this information we are the can pass on to una so come up. So for make una not left out of this particular information, that make I decide say make me as Aliu alone come up with this particular information to una. And the information that being come to una, first of all, I want una check Standard Times newspaper. For you with the inside we had check Standard Times newspaper and see outside then say 21 billion leons done missing from 3 government ministries. 21 billion leons. This not just in 2019. Now, when you add up this 21 billion leons to 27.2 billion leons when missing at the maritime administration, it sum up to 48.2 billion leons, roughly. Yeah. Some cents go there on top, but this not the bulk amount of money we don't missing inside the maritime administration. 27.2 billion leons. This now according to the audit reports. Now the African Express now actually throw light into this particular, missing money where are they bring come to you right now through the audit service. Now, maritime administration, now the body that one day we get the mandate for register ship them, for regulate the shipping industry. When they talk about all the ship them where they come inside, anything we get for do with marine, yeah, water business. Now the maritime administration. Now this 27.2 billion euros we're missing now as a result of the money already they collect. They're not able for account for and they're not able for explain who side this money go. And this money is supposed to go into the maritime administration their account. But after they talk for you so now, audit service when are the daddy or the mama for watch into public expenditure. The way how the different government agencies, departments, and ministries then they spend couple, then don't go inside this maritime administration and then find out say this money missing. Yeah. Accountability at all. You not gonna say art. Pass them pointy lights by you, red-handed. But the question now, what thing will happen after where this kind of money don't missing? Now, 3 ministries and it don't as well missing inside the maritime administration. Now that make we see, Honorable Tawa, where Parliament suspend this BNTN, where that been the chairman for the Accountability, Transparency and Accountability Committee in the Parliament, and it been done the push for make the Parliament and begin for discuss or debate the audit service report inside the well. Because then find out say, if like where this government this right now, then discuss things them, where they go on, where not right now, then we know we got cause for after the government come out, for let we get waiting and call, commission of inquiry, like waiting the happen so right now. But if they fail for handle, then leakage is there right now. It will get for create serious problem. Now, We find out say inside the audit report, if all of them money then the way they're not able for give receipts, they're not able for explain how they're missing. If they bring all that money, they come back. You will find out say we country go really sweet, and waiting then they put them money they ask for, it go really or it really reach to who that is supposed for reach to. But me want to know no more caretaker. You say you can't forfeit corruption. I believe say all of them bump money they also where audit service don't they talk about inside 2019 no more 2019 all them bump money you go put your foot down now you for put your foot down and tell them want them when they pan corruption business say they no want for lay we yard go before. And because of that day, you know will allow Ben Kelfala for Ben any case. But rather, you will make sure say then go according to how it's supposed to be. No scapegoat not for day. Or no sacred cow not for day. Because sometimes in them like you certain people are scapegoats. Where before say not to them really the delight for point pan. But because of we know the way how we link power self and full power self, they make things then they go I not supposed for go. But anyway, the Africanist press they really did do well for watch into them couple they also where they lost inside we had. Hey, this now we had. One thing where I want for make very clear as this now we had. This money what they talk, what say where the stress say 2019, the 27 billion, 27.2 billion we lost na the in maritime administration. It will surprise you for no say now from January to June. No more, not only all of the 2019. No. So if January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months, the first half of the year, if 27.2 billion you're missing, they're not able to provide any receipt, not in order at the bank book, no accounts, no nothing. If 27.2 billion you're missing inside 6 months, if the 1 year account now almost good on missing, new direction. We really need to go into new direction. But one thing me glad for no more, the new direction right now, the last administration, then they place some behind them because the last administration been corrupt. But this new direction not corrupt at all. All the money where for go, USA is supposed for go, it ain't reach the. Anyway, we now affect corruption come out inside we yard. Whether not the last administration, whether not this administration, no affect corruption. But this power government, they're not corrupt at all. The money, they all they go the right way how they're supposed to go. Nobody know ever the thief money. 27.2 billion. No, I think say now the auditor I make mistake. He make mistake. No, he make mistake. Okay, what about the 21 billion we lost from 3 ministries? No, auditor, no like I they make mistake too much. He really did make mistake. This government here, the new direction, they really they go the right way, they're very straight. When they say they want for going to the new direction, now they know more than they go. Anyway, let me leave this scope of business because it's like for say more and more things than they come up. But make I give you a link again. If you want to follow the discussion of Africanist Press, please just type for Africanist Press. If you share type for Channel Bar na Facebook, you go able to forget all details of them things there. So where are they tell you about so right now? Let me go into the issue of the forester them and the policeman them.
This now your program. We are. Me where they talk to you, na Justin.
And me, na Aliu. Now, let me go straight inside the issue. On 98.1, then we interview 2 people, one from the foresters, from the NPAA, and another one from the Salon Police. Not first listen from the NPAA, waiting them think say, or waiting they understand say, make all of waiting happen. Yesterday, they happen inside Freetown, especially around that Banlane area. Take on Congo Cross police station and go na the NPAA, the office. When they come back just now.
I hear some noise outside, so I began for go for noticing the executive director beginning. Executive director began to come back into the office. Then he called on me He say they go attack with game guards them, a particular patrol area outside them go, a community around the Sierra Leone River estuary, when a wetland, where they were under the purview of the National Protected Area Authority for protect and conserve. So he say they don't attack with game guards, they don't damage them. He showed to me over 17 of the game guards, there will be the one blood over their hands, them, their head, their mouths, their legs, and all of the pictures of which I get all of that. He says, so, we go na police station, if I go make a report. I said, okay, let me just get myself ready. I come back in the office, for get myself ready, for ensure I go with the boss. By the time I go back into my vehicle, the boss we done the police station, now just the Congo Cross roundabout. I meet a day in engagement with the LUC and some police officers of the Congo Cross police station. So I believe for engage the LUC, I introduce myself, I talk to him, he say, okay, all is well as far as I'm concerned, he is a professional. But unfortunately, we are not professionals, and we get them into the police station, don't take one of the police laborers or in the person of Ansu, and they ask for make we release Ansu now.
So they don't make that kind of allegation, they a very strong one. Not to the mandate for arrest and keep somebody. So it been there now in custody.
That was an unfortunate allegation from the possible legal statement. The police officer will make that statement say because nothing like that will be there exist. And we work what we do as an authority. We work in tandem with the Sierra Leone police. That is why everything we do, we're going to communities there, we'll get resistance. We ensure we report to the police. Any arrest we make, we arrest and take to the police station, the nearest police station, and ensure police do investigations. Then the institution proceed from that investigation. Police will do. Police will charge the matter, then go to court. That was nothing that was in existence. It was baseless. We will not be get any police person in our custody. We will not be get even nobody in our custody. As at the time when we game guards said we are attacked by community people, and the police then come, and the game guard they expect the police they will support them and ensure that the people will stay away from the game guards while they do their work, or get the game guard and safe back to the office. Rather, the police them in this circumstance connived with the community people against the game guards.
They connived against the police and the community people. From there, what happened?
Well, the police then tell we say we have somebody in custody that Ansu when a police person. But in that particular moment, one officer, police officer, they talk before the LUC. While the LUC, they talk to the executive director. They tell the LUC, say, if he see any game guard, he will kill the game guard because he has a record of in place that community, they will don't go damage or they don't go broke. So if he see any game guard, he will kill that game guard day. That street, any side see game guard, he will kill him. So we settled with the LUC that when they come to office, they can't check the office. With you game guard, they will go on the patrol. This one so they don't get their injuries there. For me, we see that they injure anybody. We game guard them. In a cause the police come. We come back in the office just on me assembling all the game guard they were injured. They take pictures of them and they ask the finance person.
Now how many of them?
70 of them.
Now they're injured.
70 of them. When they will lay hands on up until that moment. But now I will tell you, say over 50 of the game guards are seriously injured as I talk to you following police attack. Because at once I do this, 5 minutes after I walked from Congo Cross roundabout to the office premises now in police come, then we give fire, live rounds and tear gas into the office. Police officer were identified. Now he badged into the office.
What's that name?
I don't know his name, but he's a DO. He gets a DO on the right hand, where like a discipline officer. He was the one that was carrying the tear gas canister weapon. Then he came into the office, he badged into the office.
Well, as you now see, waiting happen inside this video. According to what the foresters them say the Sierra Leone police side the people them instead of them when the foresters them. So this don't out boom solo inside we had yesterday, where some people they don't suffer over this thing where they go on. We don't see other people in there where they don't damage them places, and to themselves, police they beat forester they beat police. So we don't know how this thing get for end. This na in our hands.
Well, we don't hear it from the forester then. Let me hear it now from the Salone police, as they have been given young points over the same 98.1 on waiting happen and waiting the day on now with regards investigation and all.
Now this country, people for respect law. The only person or agency who is responsible for the maintenance of law and order not the police. So if you boldly take upon yourself for go attack the police itself, then anarchy now you don't create. The police only be respond to distress calls where they receive from people then don't see face. People they can't complain, say people from the forest guard office, they don't go attack them, they don't beat them, people then they don't broke them, oath them. And by right, even if the forest guard, they been therefore get operation for good, they before don't engage the police, they involve them in the operation. So that the police go serve as a buffer between them and the public. But then they had a violent confrontation with the community people. Some people police that Congo Cross, they can't make the report. See, people they don't go attack them, they don't beat them, people they don't broke their structure them. The LUC come out for go down there. The LUC local unit commander of that division. He go the forest guard they attack and they even arrest them, put their in clothes, in uniform all. He bought in all the court quarter. He called for reinforcement. When the people that when they don't beat and don't injure, the police then bring them come to Congo Cross police station. They were so bold, they follow them, they come to Congo Cross police station, they can attack, they pull the gate, broke motoka with screen there at the station, broke the paves all on the windows. Then they now go attack the police. So if they talk, say the policeman, then go attack their office. It for be grateful in fact that the police be able yesterday for restrain the community people, for let them not do more. Because Namiga for send reinforcement, because the LUC they under siege, they don't hold on. Nami send reinforcement from Lomle police station for go na Congo Cross for go quite down the situation. In fact, when they talk about somebody where he say na forest guard way injured, policeman then three, the one in foot all broke when they go meet her inside police station. I mean, I don't understand how somebody would be so bold in this year for go to police station because it's a forest guard for go attack police there.
So at any time yesterday when this incident happened, policeman then be going to NPAA office?
Yeah, I said that now for let them go clear down the situation because the community people, even on social media, ask the people around what's happening. The LUC come out for go there, the forest guard they arrest them. Check in close. Ide. So the reinforcement will go now. Won't go now able to clear down the situation, then they're able to arrest about 43 of them. We don't send them at CID headquarters. Go to Congo Cross police station, go see what the forest guard they go do. That police station, what see them go do. People for respect law in this country.
Alright, it also make allegations say we wanna go and meet the halala between the people them and the forest guard them instead of una go for quell the situation down, una been turned pan the forest guard them. How una been respond to this particular incident where the police go meet the forest guard and the community people them they get misunderstanding?
Where police they go out on scene, the way the situation and they determine they respond for bring the situation under control. Even the police, the first way you go yesterday for quell down and I make I tell you say a lot of police and the way they sustain injuries. So that they tell you the magnitude of violence yesterday where the forest guard they engage in.
So the police go take any responsibility for property them where according to Ramdon Puel na the office of NPAA and serve 50 of them workman them where it don't make allegations say damage?
First ask them if they show any remorse for the action of young personnel that when they go attack the police station. Police just repel them. You know, I tell you, say then go attack Congo Cross police station. That is much more important than in your office because the police are responsible for law and order. If you attack the police, you are challenging the law. You are challenging the law.
So now because they attack the police, make the police self attack them and damage people and property them?
Not to police go attack. I tell you, say they created a violent situation and the public go down to the area. Let me not talk for the people. Go down to the area and talk to the people that what happened yesterday. Not to police go attack in office.
No.
What's the situation right now with the police officers, them where you say damage and serve the over 40 people, them where you see a forest guard, the way una serve been arrested?
Then the police officers, the way they injure the members of the public, where they injure them. They might not even talk about that the all. They talk about forest guards. You know, how that they show say how much they try for, you know, cover up the situation. The police, the way the one where his foot broke, where they go beat them. Now, Congo Cross police station, not outside, in the trouble in office. But this now Congo Cross police station, then go them hold this policeman, beat him, broke a foot. He then a hospital right now. Civilian then they go, we not go to Congo Cross police station. We not go there go see what thing they go do yesterday.
So I ask about the over 40 people and when you say una self make arrest.
Then a CID will investigate them. Nobody know they above the law. Whoever you are, now only police get authority for maintain law and order. Nobody, now only police.
So what about
if you therefore engage into anything where you feel say it will spark violence, inform the police so they will be by your side.
What about the community outside this halala bin dey? Now waiting the police don't do as to the situation.
Sorry?
The community outside and get the problem. Waiting don't happen there.
Waiting like how we don't try, we don't get the people there. Find out we go pacify them, we talk to them for maintain them peace so that we will go into the issue. Now police go there, police don't take charge, they don't talk to them. We not go visit the scene. We not go look what happen.
So waiting next the police a plan for do as to maintaining peace in that particular community there and serve the NPAA and the police for Leona get a common ground.
We'll find a solution. But I'm just saying that police don't get for sit down by for somebody to become lawless.
Well, that's what it look like inside we had over this issue of Sierra Leone police and the Sierra Leone forest team.
And the people them as well, where they go, they host them. So no left them here, no. That's what they do. But the question now, what happen? We make the people them and the forester them hold on. Now because they say wet area them around that Berlin, down that water side, people are not for belay. But most of them people they don't belay long time ago. And then don't they live all these years that inside in there. Now they say they're not for the day. Then they go broke them, place them. Okay, let me say now law. Law na law. Let me see. But if for me say you go broke people in place, you not stop them, you beat the person back. No. Now this be the happen now when the police then call and then you don't hear from the two sides them waiting and think about the whole issue. Now, forester then get mind though. Then go to the police station. Where people then go for go lay complaint, then go to the police station, search for the police station, run after policeman them, arrest policeman them. We had. Thing they be now we had.
But look, how this thing they go on. You not feel say if them foresters there get small chance, then they take the Sierra Leone police then work na the hand.
Who's getting chance you dey talk?
No, me much not reach day. Now he make a stop that side.
Okay, me much the reach. Let's tell you something. Then there's there some debate when they go on with regards to uniform. Why they for wear green uniform? No. Forestry na green uniform they get. Let me make it very clear to una first. Na green uniform they get. From days where they established the forestry division, you know, the Ministry of Forestry and Food Security. Now green, that same uniform in the way. So not so because of politics. No, local and our mind. But the question now, this forester them, they don't feel say they're a soldier man or they're a policeman or they're one of the strong, law enforcement body right now inside Riyadh. Yes, they're a law enforcement body, but they feel say they're for arrest. They're not supposed for arrest. I see something where beats me imagination. You know say them forester they train them just like how they train soldier man.
Well, now you make a video wait, make me brother learn. You measure something I say, it look like say the foresters them, they behave like soldier man them.
Yes, because I don't know if that the uniform they deceive them.
Well, good. Now the question what we get for ask with government when our Sierra Leone power SLPP new direction. Waiting breaches soldiers them and Mano River Union soldiers them come together for can train them foresters. Waiting that one they mean. For let these two group come and train, not to soldier man and can't train no, for can train ordinary foresters them. Where they just for the side who don't call soldiers no. Now they for deploy. Not to for come and put on riot or gun business. But before they reach, when they get for can display pictures then where they show now exactly what they try for talk.
What do you think about all the issues where they happen inside Riyadh with regards the police, the people, and the forestry? Let me comment down for we. Now we comment section. Now we'll begin go to the picture then first by one. Now this first picture where we show you, you see the British military, British soldier man, you see it display something if I can zoom the thing, wait till it display, you see it draw man, and then it show you area them where it say striking areas. That's not the area them where you can knock somebody and not be able to resist you at all. Now that it put so. Now the question now, who that them so Germania they teach this kind of technique?
Bo, my brother, you no need for ask. Look what's in at the picture and look everything they display. You already don't see waiting the soldier they try for tell you. You don't see again Usai Forester. God help we are. How comes then they go and why then they go train Forester? He all gone. Forester gone. Waiting what happen now we are and waiting really the people are heading to.
Now they stick there and then the tower. So then therefore we use.
Can you imagine waiting at the meaning of the weapons they have for train Forester with weapon, my brother?
You think we like you see now the waiting watch the uniform. It just FIBA military uniform, but not to them. Now Forester them. Now Forester them not to Sojaman them. Forester them. Why you go not say now Forester them? Watch it was the wrong side. Sojaman not get green and black piping. Watch all the Forester them where they train. They get green and black piping. And this training happen inside match. Not on this one they just recruit to. The one where I will show you so. Now inside match it happen. They all the Forester them all gone. Why them for all gone? Why them for train Forester them with gun?
That we don't know. Now the big question where we ask, we caretaker directly this question you go for you. Waiting at the meaning, waiting at the reason, waiting at your plan, caretaker. Where you they can't train Foresters them with weapon all the way. British soldier with Mano River then come together, pull people them, then come team up with the British soldiers them for country Forester inside.
Well, let's show you now this other picture because sometimes you might go to still feel with a lie. Watch this picture where you see the Foresters them and the Sojaman them clear. Yeah, the normal old girl, they just snap good picture. This not casual. Watch them. You see the Forester them and you see the soldier uniform them. Military personnel them from Britain. And then the Mano River Union had then trained the Forester them. Why? Them Forester you forget Sojaman training. That's not the question we they ask. And let me comment down for we now the comment section. The other side, I peeped at somebody in Facebook page. And they talk say, Alhamdulillah for safe training with Great Britain and Mano River Union countries. That then take people there from other parts and can give training to them people there. Look where we Sojaman they need professional training every other time for go.
I'm telling you.
And interestingly, if you watch one of the picture them, outside the Forester there, you go find out the background, now the protected areas them.
Of the hills.
Like IMAT area.
Yeah.
Because it oversee the hills them. Watch them fine. Watch them. We yard. Waiting they happen now we yard. We yard. Forester don't take over. We yard. They're not afraid again, no, yeah?
So, my people them. This na in a way on engats. This na in we think now see waiting get for happen tomorrow. We don't see Foresters them, they go challenge police. Who knows tomorrow, if the same Foresters they are, they go challenge Sojaman them. We they plead to Papa government, caretaker, you need for we're not saying a person know they talk. Because things then they we don't happen, we pass this, you know, ever come and talk to we. But do ya? This na uniform to uniform. We had now one gray yard we get. Una then a power today. Una get everything. If anything happen, una and una picking them. The left whip and the kuskas, una go sit down with peace. We no get close side for go. Now one gray we had we go. So do ya caretaker. In as much as soon as somebody want to talk, we need your statement over this way they go on. Because let me take example from another African country then. We don't see what it don't happen in Mali. We don't see what it happen presently in Nigeria. Similar thing, now in they come so small now we have where we know they pray for. So do ya, una will put before as the leaders of government, una the honorables them, we represent different people in our parliament. Do ya, una all stand up, make this thing stop, usa it begin so we not get no side for go.
Okay, so we not get Boku team for talk inside this. we just want for talk say this not a stop according to wetin we don't understand how we had. The police them want for be part of this team, so the police and the forester then get for work together and continue their operation. Last time we think happen not to the first 10 days. When you watch now the area, the inside them, like there Arlington, Jue, then side and the forester then can knock people in per body. Where people run. The next step, they say forester, they all mobilize them, put small thing together and give it forester them. I think saying that this they get for go on and the police themselves get for be part of that soup day. Let her add again another thing with regards this forester then. I talk to somebody again. He tell me say, you see, the forester them, you know, some of them, then choose them and then change their name. Instead of the forester them, now they don't be rangers. Team the sweet, they don't be rangers. Now the foresters them don't team up with the sojaman them. This is very good. Then I checkpoint them now, and now they put camera at the forest for see if animal they were they not aware of, you know, follow animal footprints and all of these things there. Now the reason this we make according to the information where I don't get. You know, after we don't record, waiting we don't bring come to now. So I understand say now the main reason is why them decide for train them forester they are so like military man them with gun. Oh, we forester them now ranger them. Now this not the reason we make the ranger them the forester them. They don't see themselves powerful so much that then they fetch the policeman and now bone to bone. Hey, yeah. So now the reason this so, but then forester there waiting at checkpoint so they try for make sure say if timber they go the wrong side they arrest them. Go inside the bush. Anybody where if until man they go na the inside and they want for go do things where they not supposed to do, then go arrest them. We rangers them. Not only forester they now then choose some of the foresters them, train them with gun, and which is man train them all, and now waiting them do. Then put them at checkpoint, put them at the forest and other side them. This let's tell the policeman they are not testing forester there or the rangers there. They're well trained. Now breaches military. Now he come inside we had and can train them. They're well trained. They're not a joke. So the other one they way they go down at the wetland, down that Moriton area, you know, that come up that one because at that end then we just train no more. But the one the way they train it's gone. We not tear gas, they not go one paramo. Anyway, I think say like Justin Don already talk. We need for left here. We need for left here. Let me watch them and put 2 years now they grown and see what thing they happen. But I'll tell you now this. Inside next week Saturday, by the grace of God, we go touch on the Ministry of Health and the kind thing where they happen inside the with people them inside we are they not safe for their life not safe. But anyway, talk and go, talk and come. I need for left here so now. I want for say thank you for where you don't do your live chat, for where you don't left your comments down. Please, if you just come now with channel for the first time, make sure say you press the subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell. If you like my video, give it thumbs up. And for the one day where they say this we program not mature, we tell you now thank you. Now this not the reason we make we set up this program. If you watch proper one, we say we had mock news. We dey mix this program with fun for make sure say the message stick na you head. But if you come and tell me say we not mature, we tell you thank you. God bless you. We love you. And so we lovely subscribers them. We regular subscribers them. We occasional subscribers them. Where they come and participate with we. We want for say una thank you. But let's pull this come to now. December with a 1 year for more begin for broadcast. Okay? Anyhow it be through YouTube, then say let we ask una for let this channel go grow very well and let we go able to get more equipment for become powerful production to now. We get for introduce to now what we call super chat and we already did on YouTube where now where how you go able for support we financially. That is if you want for do that day. Buy you chat, super chat, where you get for the pay small money to YouTube and YouTube will give you and other things then. But until we bring out details of that particular thing, they want for say thank you and continue for the like and comment under our video. What do you think about all we don't discuss today? Leave a comment down for we in our comment section. We love you. God bless you. Have a good day. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.